Hey guys, Blade Maid recently sent me their ceiling fan cleaner, so I'm really excited to test it out with my ceiling fan. Just looking at the box, it says it cleans the top, bottom, and sides of the blades all at once. It also mentions that it includes a dusting brush to help clean your baseboards and even your vents. So, looks like this package comes with a long handle and the cleaning pad is microfiber, so it should be able to get all the dust. All right, let's see what's actually inside. Looks like we've got an instruction manual, the main cleaning head with the microfiber pads already inserted inside. That's convenient. We also have the telescoping pole. Oh, and it also comes with a long, flexible dusting brush. Let's take a quick look at the manual. Looks like I got everything I was supposed to get, and there's a couple of diagrams that show you how to assemble the cleaner. Looks pretty easy since it's only two steps. And then there's some pictures on how to unlock the cleaning head to remove the microfiber pads and a couple of more pictures on how to adjust the handle and start dusting. So it looks like it's pretty simple, and they even offer some care instructions and other tips. And by the way, apparently the pads are machine washable, which is a huge bonus. So now let's go ahead and put this thing together. And it's pretty easy to unlock the tabs here on the pole so we can adjust the length of the pole. Our ceilings are pretty standard at 9 feet, but if you have taller ceilings, extending this pole up to 3 feet will definitely be helpful. And now we'll stick the head onto the pole, twist it, and then it locks into place. The pads are already inside and the fingers are nice and long and thick to capture and trap the dust. This cleaner is also very lightweight, so you can hold it with one hand while dusting. The handle also has a thick foam padding, which makes it super comfortable to grip without it slipping out of your hands. Okay, so the moment of truth. So we've had our ceiling fan up for about a year, and I don't recall ever dusting it. You can see here the dust that has settled, so now we'll go ahead and clean that off. I'm just going to go ahead and aim the Blade Maid cleaner so the blade slides right in between the microfiber duster pads. And wow, that was too easy. One smooth swipe, and not a speck of dust fell on me nor on the floor. This thing is a dust magnet. Honestly, this just turned a 15-minute chore into like 5 seconds. Now I don't have to worry about standing up on a chair and losing my balance. Definitely a win for my cleaning routine.